Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a crucial little component for anyone flying the popular E58 drone, the DYNWAVE E58 RC drone gear. Specifically, this is the 32-tooth gear designed for the motor. When you're flying RC drones, especially smaller ones, wear and tear on the gears is pretty common, and having a reliable replacement part is absolutely essential to keep your drone in the air. This particular gear is designed with the E58 drone in mind, ensuring it's a perfect fit for that specific model. The compatibility is key here. You don't want to mess around with parts that aren't designed for your drone, as it can lead to poor performance or even further damage. This 32-tooth large gear wheel is made to integrate seamlessly with the E58's motor system, promising optimal performance once installed. One of the big selling points mentioned is the ease of installation. For both seasoned drone enthusiasts and those just getting into the hobby, being able to quickly and easily swap out a worn or broken gear is a huge plus. You don't want to spend hours fumbling with tiny parts. This gear is designed for straightforward replacement, which means less downtime for your drone and more time flying. Looking at the material, it's made from quality pages. This suggests good durability, meaning it's built to withstand the stresses placed on a motor gear during flight. While no small plastic gear will last forever, using a quality material like PP should provide a decent lifespan and reliable service before needing another replacement. It's built to last, which is exactly what you need from a spare part. In terms of size, the gear has a length of approximately 2.5 centimeters. This compact size is necessary for fitting into the tight spaces within the drone's motor assembly. Its dimensions make it easy to handle during installation and ensure it fits correctly without interfering with other components. The package contents are simple and straightforward. You get one of these E58 large gear wheels with 32 teeth. This provides exactly what you need for a single motor repair or maintenance task. Having these spare parts on hand is a smart move for any E58 owner, as it allows for quick repairs when a gear inevitably wears out or gets damaged from a hard landing. It's a small part, but absolutely vital for the drone's function. Keeping your drone in top flying condition often comes down to having the right spare parts readily available. And this DYNWAVE gear seems like a solid option for E58 owners needing to replace a motor gear.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.